Welcome to Health Week 2021. This is second grade lesson number 1. Lesson 1, eat all 5 to thrive. Upon completion of this lesson, you will be able to understand that foods work together to give our bodies strength and energy. Number 2, classify groups of foods by the benefits they provide the body. And number 3, recognize the main health function of each food group.
Food groups. Solving the puzzle of healthy eating. Do you find it confusing to know what combination of foods make up a healthy diet? Well, food groups can help you solve the puzzle of healthy eating. We're going to learn about healthy eating patterns. A pattern is a specific arrangement of items, in this case, foods. The pattern outlines those healthy choices you can make for meals and snacks. My plate shows a healthy eating pattern. It can be thought of as a puzzle. To complete the puzzle, you need to assemble all of the individual pieces. The food groups. Eating foods from all food groups every day helps you learn and play. What do these words mean? Nutrient? A nutrient is what we get from the food to help our bodies grow strong and stay healthy. Key nutrients are the most important nutrients we get from a certain food group. Let's get familiar with the different food groups. The first food group we'll learn about is the dairy group. It includes foods like milk, yogurt, and cheese. Meet my friend Mary Dairy, queen of the dairy group.
Do you know what key nutrients are found in milk? Calcium, which builds strong bones and teeth. Vitamin D, which helps your body save calcium. And protein, which helps build strong muscles. Strong bones, teeth, and muscles. Be sure to drink your milk today at lunch.
Next, we'll learn about the vegetables group. It includes foods like lettuce, bell pepper, and corn. Reggie Veggie will tell you that vegetables rock. Do you know what key nutrients are found in vegetables? Vitamin A, which gives you healthy skin and eyes, and fiber, which helps you stay full. Healthy skin and eyes that see super sharp. Remember to eat your veggies at dinner. Now we'll discover what's healthy in the fruit groups. It includes foods like apples, oranges, and grapes. Here's Farah Fruit with fascinating fruit facts.
Do you know what key nutrients are found in fruit? Vitamin C, which helps our bodies heal, and potassium, which is important for a healthy heart and muscles. Fruits help your body heal when you are hurt or sick. Fruits make a great snack.
Let's see what we can discover about the grains group. It includes foods like bread, pasta, and rice. Jane Green is here to share information about great grains.
Do you know what key nutrients are found in grains? B vitamins, which give your body energy, and fiber, which helps you stay full. Grains, especially whole grains, are packed with nutrients that give you energy. Choose whole grains at your meals and snacks.
Finally, we'll learn about the protein group. It includes foods like eggs, beans, tofu, and meat. Dean Protein can fill you in on protein power. Do you know what key nutrients are found in protein? Protein, which builds strong muscles, and iron, which carries oxygen to cells in your body. That protein power is used to build strong muscles. Be sure to eat your protein at breakfast. So, now you've seen that all the food group puzzle pieces fit together to build healthy meals and snacks. A complete My Plate. Just like completing a puzzle requires all of the pieces, a healthy eating pattern requires all of the food groups. The food groups give us different nutrients, and the nutrients keep our bodies healthy. So how much of these foods is enough? How many servings of the different food groups do you need? The serving number for dairy is easy as 1, 2, 3. you need 3 servings of dairy each day.
How will you get 3 servings of dairy food today? You could eat yogurt with breakfast, eat string cheese for an after-school snack, or drink milk with your meals.
The serving number for vegetables is also 3. You need 3 servings of vegetables each day. How will you get 3 servings of vegetables today? You could add tomatoes and lettuce to a sandwich, eat veggies dipped in hummus or dressing for a snack, or eat a salad with lunch or dinner. 1-2 servings of fruit will pack a punch. You need 2 servings of fruits each day.
How will you get 2 servings of fruit today? You could add fresh fruit to yogurt, drink a fruit smoothie for a snack, or eat a piece of fruit at lunch.
For the grains group, think big. You need 2 servings of grains, or 5 to 6 ounces each day, and whole grains are the best.
How will you get 5 or 6 ounces of grains today? You could eat cereal for breakfast, eat crackers for an after-school snack, or eat a sandwich made with whole grain bread.
You'll get your protein power with 2 servings. Aim for 5 or 6 ounces of protein each day. How will you get 5 or 6 ounces of protein today? You could eat a bean cheese burrito for breakfast, eat nuts for a snack after school, or eat your entree at the school lunch today. Remember, food groups are the building blocks for health, the pieces that complete the health.
All right, if your teacher attached workbook page 5 to your Google Classroom, this is what you are going to do. You are going to trace your hand on the page, period. If she didn't give you the workbook pages, then you can just watch this video. On each finger, I am going to write each one of the food groups. The food groups work together as a team. So dairy, D-A-I-R-Y, is on my pinky. I wrote it in blue because blue represents the dairy group. The next one on my ring finger is fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, and I wrote it in red because red represents the fruit group. The next one is vegetables. I wrote it on my middle finger, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. I wrote it in green because green represents the vegetable group. On my pointer finger, I wrote grains, G-R-A-I-N-S, and I wrote it in orange because orange represents the grains group. And last but not least, protein, P-R-O-T-E-I-N, and I wrote protein in purple because purple represents the protein group. All right, on page 7 in your workbook, you are going to make your favorite meal and you can circle one thing from each group. So you can circle one thing from the dairy group, one thing from the vegetable group, one thing from the fruit group, one thing from the grains group, and one item from the protein group. At the bottom, I'm sure you've noticed the extras. So the extras are things that we should not eat very often or eat them in very small quantities. From the dairy section, I am going to circle cheese. From the vegetable section, my choice is tomatoes. From the fruit section, I chose an apple, and I really like green apples because they're a little bit tart and they're usually super crunchy. From the greens group, I chose bread. And from the protein section, I chose a hamburger patty. And from the extras section, I am going to choose French fries, even though they're not on here. Could you tell that this was going to be my meal choice? This is what I chose. Class recap. Understand that foods work together to give our bodies strength and energy. Classify groups of foods by the benefits they provide the body. Recognize the main function of each food group. Don't forget to eat a variety of the 5 food groups each day. This lesson was brought to you by the Dairy Council of California and Miss Ford.